Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting hardware ready. Power the PS3, attach it to the display, and plug in the storage device. Once done, navigate to Settings so the system can recognize the drive. If the PS3 prompts to format, accept only after backing up important saves. You do this because the PS3 needs a compatible file system and active connection to list save destinations. Make sure USB is in the front ports for reliable detection, and confirm the device appears under System Storage Management. Now you perform the transfer. You go into Game, then Saved Data utility, find the specific save and press triangle to copy. Choose the external storage you prepared. You do this because copying preserves original files in case you need to revert. While copying, watch for progress and any error codes. If the PS3 shows an error, cancel and recheck the connection. Also confirm the drive has adequate free space, and the save isn't locked or corrupted before retrying. Finish by verifying the transfer. You test launch the game and load the save from the external device to ensure integrity. Once confirmed, power down the PS3 before unplugging the drive to prevent corruption. If you plan to keep multiple saves, label folders so you can identify them later. If something goes wrong, try reformatting the drive to FAT32, use another USB port, or connect through a powered hub. These steps resolve most detection and power supply issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.